data basically includes data values like, let's say we have a data set in which we have values like 5, 7, 9, 4, 13, and 5 again. Okay, so this is our data set. Now, why it's called ungrouped? Because it's not included in a group. These are just values given to us in a data set. So mean is found by sum of values divided by your number of values. Now the symbols used to denote all of these things, this is mean, sigma x is your sum of values, and n is your number of values. Now in this case, mean would be found by adding all of these given values, 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4 plus 13 plus 5 again, divided by the number of values, which is going to be...
What if it was ungrouped data in a table?
Ungrouped data is not given in a table.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It'll be given like this. And even if it is, let's say, if you think, instead of writing these numbers, they go like, we have x and we have the frequency. So let's say x is 10, 14, 9, 8, 7, and the frequency is 4, 10, 2, 0, 4. So in this case now, mean is going to be sum of fx divided by sum of f, which is the same as grouped data.
Wait, here x is like the
data value, yeah.
The classes, the class intervals.
Yeah, so now in this case, we don't have class intervals, so we don't need to find the midpoint anymore. We already have the given value for each frequency.
Oh, the midpoint is the class interval in this case, because we already we have
Yeah. We already have the value. Yep.
actual value. Yeah. Okay.
Exactly.
And then.
Do you get it?
Hold on. So frequency times that. Hold on. So frequency times that, and then it'll be like 40, and then 140. And then I just add it up, right?
Exactly. 18, 0, 28. Yep, that's right.
And then divide this by this.
Exactly, and that will give you the mean.
Wait, so it's different from like. It's different from the ungrouped data. Wait, it is ungrouped data, but it's different from like a list of numbers.
Exactly. Because in that case, we don't have like, in this case, just 5 was being repeated. That's it. But if like several numbers are being repeated, then you have to make a table. Like, so you know how many, like what's the frequency for each value.
Oh.
This is basically called a frequency table.
Frequency table. Give me a moment. I need to update my notes.
Okay.
But would they give like a question like that?
Like which one?
On group data frequency table.
Yeah, they can. They can give you like a data set of values and they can ask you to make the frequency table for that. Or like if the values are not being repeated a lot and it's like a small data set, so they can just ask you to find the mean, median, or mode of that.
Of a list of numbers or a table?
Anything.